Bowling in cricket is all about accuracy and strategy. The most important weapon for any successful bowler ever has always been the ability to hit the right line and length consistently, not speed or swing. Line and length in cricket refers to the direction and point of bouncing on the pitch of a delivery. Line is a measure of how far the ball travels to the left or right compared to a line drawn straight down the pitch. It is usually referred to in terms of the directions off and leg rather than left and right. A good line in cricket is typically just outside the off stump. Balls within 12 inches on a line outside off stump may be said to be in the corridor of uncertainty. This line forces the batter to play the ball, reducing their options to score runs and increasing the chance of getting them out, thus forcing the batter to be in two minds about whether he needs to hit the ball or not. The bowler's goal is to induce a poorly executed shot that may offer a catch to a fielder or rebound the ball into the wicket. Wider deliveries may be said to be giving a batter bit. Mostly it results in a boundary as the batter is able to free his hands and play the shots with the full flow of the bat. But on the other hand, the batter is also not able to control the shots of these deliveries and lose their wicket. The wicket-to-wicket line is usually bowled by bowlers to dismiss batters, LBW or both. These tight lines are also very effective in slowing down the run scoring against batters who struggle to score runs on the leg side and always want some room outside off stump to free their arms and score boundaries. Balls delivered on a line outside leg stump are often referred to as going down the leg side or on the pads. These are the easiest pickings for the batter as they can score boundaries effortlessly through shots like leg glance and flick. But sometimes on these bad deliveries too, batters can get unlucky and edge the ball to the wicketkeeper. The line can also be used strategically to restrict run scoring. One method is to place the fielders predominantly on either the leg or offside of the field, then bowl consistently with a matching line, making it difficult for the batter to hit the ball to the opposite side of the field. The length of a delivery is how far down the pitch towards the batter the ball bounces. The length can vary from full closer to the batter to short farther down the pitch. First up, the full length delivery bounces between the 2 to 4 meters range from the batter. This is when the ball lands on the pitch and reaches the batter at knee height. It's great for the batters to play drives and powerful shots on both off and leg side. But for bowlers, bowling on off-stump line with a fuller length and little outswing can lead to an edge to slips. Fuller lengths also lead to many LBW and bold dismissals. Next we have the good length that bounces between the 4 to 8 meters range from the batter. This is the ideal length for any bowler where the ball pitches a bit shorter around the top of the stumps. It's a versatile length used for both taking wickets and stopping run scoring, making the batter uncertain about whether to attack or defend. Moving on to the short length, which bounces at least 8 meters before reaching the batter. A short ball usually reaches the batter around chest height. Shorter lengths are aggressive and can surprise the batter, tempting the batsman to hook or pull, which can result in a wicket. Short pitch leg side deliveries are often referred to as bodyline deliveries, literally meaning on line of the body. Whereas a bouncer is a type of short pitch delivery which reaches the batter at head height or above shoulder height. During the 1970s to 1980s, bouncers were misused as part of a team's intimidatory tactics, especially by the West Indies. Therefore, as per the current ICC rules, only 2 bouncers per over are allowed during Test and ODI matches, while only 1 bouncer in T20Is. Lastly, the Yorker length, where the ball pitches right at the batter's feet as it bounces in his 2-meter range only. It's an excellent length for a bowler for bold and LBW dismissals as well as for stopping runs, as it's very hard for the batter to play an attacking shot on this delivery. A bowler can use variation in length to upset the rhythm of a batter. A typical example would be a series of slightly short balls to force the batter into playing shots with his weight on the back foot, followed by a full ball bouncing near the batter's legs, and if he misses the ball with his bat, he can be out either bowled or LBW. Variations in both line and length are crucial. Bowlers can mix it up to keep the batter guessing and off balance. Finding the right balance between line and length is essential for a bowler in adapting to different situations, batter and pitch conditions.